In this video, I'm going to do a full breakdown of everything you receive with the INSE vacuum, how to assemble it, and then a live demo of me using it. You receive a head brush, the dust cup, power source, vacuum stick, a couple accessories, a wall mount, and then an extra filter, which is super nice because you would not have to worry about purchasing another filter down the road when you need it. Now on to the assembly. Setting it up is super easy. There are no bolts or screws that you need to put in this vacuum. Everything is pretty much put together. You just need to snap it into place. I personally am going to vacuum my carpet, so I'm going to get it set up for that by putting the vacuum stick in there and then attaching the head brush to it. But whatever setup you choose, it only takes seconds to get it assembled. Now, the power button is just a trigger that controls the different speeds as well, so you can change on the fly the suction or turn it off by just squeezing that trigger. Two things I love about this vacuum is just how quiet it is, and then the big LED light which helps you see. And like I said before, switching out the parts is super simple, so you can go from vacuuming your carpet to now move on to your couch or furniture in just seconds. They make it effortless. Dumping out the dirt is very easy as well. You literally just push a button and it'll pop open for you. Cleaning the dust cup is also simple. Just twist it and you can remove the dust cup from the vacuum. Overall, I love how simple this vacuum is to use. It makes me feel like I'm using a high-end vacuum at half the price. So this gets 2 thumbs up from me.